So whenever you log in, this is the, see, you will not see all these. Why? Because mine is admin account, so that's why I can able to see all the, see, manage users and company and everything. It is mine is an admin account. Okay, so if I want to check Bhavani access, right, it will give you the active, and if I want to delete, just if I click the delete option, the access will go out. Okay, so these are the access you have. In-flight, which is used for production, and in-flight T is used for test. Got it? In-flight T usually call it as CTE. Okay. Clear? Any questions? CTE is called as in-flight test. If someone asks you to check in CTE, then don't get panic. It is CTE. See, here you can see CTE. Clear? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Raj.
So, I'll come from the beginning. So, if the transaction has been sent, or if the transaction we are receiving or we are sending, so the transaction we sent and you want to check whether it has been reached to our partner or not, then first the transaction will get into a status called deferred. Okay. Kadir, do you know the meaning of defer? You usually send when I'm away, right?
Yeah.
So this is deferred. Okay. Deferred is nothing but before the transaction gets posted successfully or failed, it will turn into deferred status, and it will wait for a couple of minutes. After that, either it will get processed successfully or it will get failed. Clear? So just click on most recent documents. It will give you the entire list of transactions which has been recently sent. You can see the status is in processing, right? If you want to check the transaction status which were sent now, you can check in most recent documents. And if you want to check for any particular document within a month, then you should select search for documents. Here, if you want to check for Citibank files usually stands for CTBAA, and if you click on, see, you don't need to do anything, just click on apply. See, nothing has been given. Why? Because today the file has been not received. If you click on 14, if you click on apply, sorry, I guess I was checking something. To clear filters. Check Citibank file. Can you see it? Just click on this one. So this is the one which we received. This is the one which we processed, and this is the one which we sent. Clear? Got it? Here you can see who is the sender. You can see sender name, who is the receiver and receiver name, and you can see what type of file it is, and you can see the file size here. This is your reference number, and this is your source message ID. Usually we do not require that one. Majorly we look for reference number, and we look for source file name, and we look for destination file. Clear? Respond. Say yes, no, maybe, might be, might not be.
Yeah. Yes,
Clear?
Raj. Yeah.
And if someone asks you to give the file from 1st May till 16th May, simply you need to select the start date and click on apply. So it will give you the files which were received from 2nd May till 15th May or 16th May. Clear?
Okay.
16th May. Why? Because you can see we have selected on 16th May till 10 AM CST. So the file received at 8. Okay. So you can check. I told you, right? It will give you from 5 to. Why? Because be selected after 9, right? So if you change it to 30th April, then you will see 1st May's file as well. Can you see? Sorry, someone is talking, I guess.
Yeah. This is Kumar Raj. Raj, can you hear me, Raj? Yeah.
Yes, I can hear it.
So, Raj, in case, I mean, if we have to download, we have to click on it and download one by one, or
No,
is there any bulk download? Yeah.
One file each you have to download. Simple thing. You have to download it. Okay. Copy this one and check the date. Okay. So go to downloads. So this is 5.1, right? Put underscore 05/01/2023 and make sure you give the extension .txt if you're downloading CTBA. Why? Because the users will not be able to use the file if you put .dat extension. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, Raj.
Why? Because you can see the extension here .dat, right?
Yeah.
Can you see the extension here?
Yeah.
If you download this file, you will see you'll receive the file with the same extension. Okay.
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 See, I don't know the file name, and Kathir has came to you and he asked, see, I need a file which was received on 10th May. And he simply told you to check the files received from Blackline. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to sender, I'll put the name equal to Blackline. See, the sender is not available. Sender name. So I'll try Blacksmith. So there is no sender. We'll see whether the receiver is set for Blackline. Yeah, can you see?
Yeah.
There is no sender. Blackline is not sending any files to us. We are sending the files to Blackline. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So I want to
Yes,
check.
Raj.
To check city. I want to check transactions from 10th May till 11th May. Okay. And I want the transactions going from 10th midnight. Which side panel? B panel. Okay. And I want the transaction till 11:59 p.m. Okay. So what I'll do? 11:59. Got it? So Walmart is sending the transactions and Kraft is receiving the transactions. Clear?
Okay.
And see, if you click on export, see, here if you look at, it will become clumsy, right? And one more thing, you can see by default it will be 25 rows, but you can select up to 2000 rows. Clear? Can you see? All the transactions came in one page. Clear? And if you go here, you can see the status, direction, when it was triggered, what is the type of transaction, who is the sender, sender name, who is the receiver, receiver name, with a reference number, process ID, source file name, destination file name. Clear?
Mm.
And you can check the count. There was 384, right? If you remove these two rows,
360.
automatically the count will be 384. Sorry, 364. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, Raj.
Here you can check, cross check the count 364 and you can match if you want.
Control shift down arrow.
Is the count matching?
Yeah.
So if someone asks you what are the transactions received, so you can simply export this Excel and you can attach. Okay?
Mm.
Fine. This is one scenario. Fine. You want to check for any particular receiver. Say you want to check for any particular receiver, say Blackline. Just a second. Hello. We are now checking for Blackline. Okay, which for 10th May till from 10th May till 11th May. Okay. From the figure it. Excel control. So can you see 435 files have been received.
Yeah.
Okay. So simple. Click on export, it will get exported. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Raj.
Now, so okay, what I'm trying to do from 15 till I have cleared the filters, so I'm just trying to check all the transactions, but I want to check only the failed transactions. Okay, so earlier if you look at, it will be like this. So I'm deselecting all the transactions, I'm just selecting all the failed transactions. Can you see how many transactions got failed?
178.
Okay, clear. So
Yes.
here in this scenario we selected only failed transactions. Okay. Clear?
Mm. Yes, Raj.
So if I select all this and click on apply. Can you see how many transactions? 1,54,291. Hello?
Yeah, Raj.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Clear?
Yes,
So
clear.
we can differentiate like this and I'll scroll down. If you go to business field, you will see multiple options, destination file name. So I'll tell you main thing. We use destination file name. You can check with map name. You can check with process ID. You can check with receiver ID. You can check with reference number. You can check with sender name, sender ID, and source file name. These are the major things we use. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, Raj.
So you select map name. Let's take one example. I'm just taking this map name. Okay. So
Okay.
I just wanted to check how many transactions have flown with that map name. Scrolling down, map name is public. If there are no records, they are on filters.
No records.
They are unable to see any transaction with that. But if you
Date
give them,
needs to be modified, I think, Raj. Date.
Yes, but this
I
is from
don't think.
yesterday only.
No, I'm checking from yesterday only, right? No, see, if I select from this one, we might get see nothing. A file not available. Okay, 997. That is very important. Yes, see how many transactions have come up with. If I put just the map used. Okay, so 214. So for each transaction, there will be a separate map. Remember that. Okay. If you are looking for 850, 3PL 850, there will be a separate map for 3PL 850. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
This is map. This is different map. Can you see? Head of doc extract.
8 58.
Checking for 214s. Can you see the map in here? So we have selected only KFG underscore GNR, right? So it will give you which contains can you see? That is what we selected, right?
Yes.
So after this, see, you can treat it as after the GNR, you can treat it as star. So whatever it is, 850, 860, 214, whatever the transaction, it will give you that math logic. Okay,
Mm.
clear? And if you know the destination file name, I'll put just 30. See how many transactions will receive. IBM tool will be bit slower, okay? Don't get confused. So usually it will take time.
Okay.
Even if you go for arcade, it will take much time.
In 45.
See, here you can see just what we selected, which contains city in the destination file name. So just see here, can you see city BAI destination file name? Clear?
Mm.
Here you can see city. Can you see CITI, 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 CITI? Okay.
Yes.
If you give any specific name, if I put city with bar BI2, I click on select. Can you see?
4 records only.
Only we receive matching files. Okay.
Okay.
And in the same way, you can use source file name contains FFPL.
Five 47 517.
So you can see source file which has SAPL. It will look for only the starting letters. Okay. It will not consider these letters. So if the starting letters are matching, it will give you. Clear?
Mhm. Okay.
Any questions?
Normally, how we are searching with the same, like if we know the first two letters, then it will give all the related letters like this only, right?
Yes, yes. If you know the full name, you can give the full name. No need to do that. Okay. If you
Okay.
know the full name of this particular transaction, okay. So
Yeah.
what I'll do, just copying this.
So it will give the particular record.
So with that name, you can see how many transactions have come up. Can
12.
you see?
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay.
2023 0506. So which are matching, it will give you. Can you see?
Okay.
2023 0506. So with that name, we have 12 transactions. Okay. And I know the reference number, or you can see, I know the PID, which is process ID. So how to check the process ID? To be spelled, scroll down, select process ID equal to ESPF and apply. If you know the reference number, we'll directly go here, we'll put it as reference number equal to, or else you can put contains, and you can search, it will give you the matching details. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So reference number equal to, can you see? If you put the reference number, see, this is the reference number, so it will give you matching record or matching transaction. Clear?
25 rows means in that
Where is 25?
the last source file name.
Here,
Down there is a 25 rows.
there is 25 rows. No, it will see here how many rows you want to display.
Okay.
Okay, that is what I explained here, right?
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Okay,
Mm.
any questions?
No.
Kumar, is it clear, or do you have anything to ask?
At this point, nothing.
Okay, so if you start using the tool, you will get to know each and everything. Okay,
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
are there any questions?